Hello, this video will show how we can use text in Blender. This is a default scene. I delete the default object. And then if we add the text, we can go to Add and Text, or we can use shortcut Shift A to add and choose text. So we can find the text here, and we can adjust the size here. We can adjust the location and rotate it. I keep it in 1 in radius and go back to 0 in location. And I like to make 90 degrees to not stand upright. We can change the text. We make sure that we select the text and go to edit mode. We can delete it and add 3D text tutorial. After editing it, we can go back to object mode. And then we can select the text and go to Object Data Properties. We can more setting about the text. For example, we can go to Geometry. We can offset. We can extrude. We can add the bevel. I use round bevel here. And then we can change the font. The default font is Blender font type. We can open the font. If you have the fonts in your operation system, we can choose it here. I choose Arial Bold. It has some broken, so we can reduce the offset here and reduce the bevel here. And then we can change the size here. We can shift. I go back to 0. And then we can add the text on curve. I add a curve, Bayesian curve. I should rotate it in x-axis and S to scale it. And then choose the text again and go to text on curve. We select the Bayesian curve. So the text is follow the curve shape. If you change the curve, go to edit mode and rotate. The text is follow the curve shape. And then we can go back to object mode, select the text again, and then we can make alignment. For example, we can center it. We can change the character space. We can change the word space. If we want to convert text to merge, we can right click and convert merge. So it becomes merged now. And then we can add color into the text. We can switch to material preview. It doesn't have any color. We can go to material properties and add the new material. In the base color, we can change the color. I will pick pink. And then we can go to render. We can choose render engine here. I will pick cycles. And then go to render preview. It's quite dark, so we need to add a light. I choose point light, and then I move it. I should enter it, -2, -1 and 2. And then we can increase the power of light. I will use 1500. I copy and paste one more light and move it to 2 in X, -2 in Y, and 1.5 in Z. And then if we want to add shadow, we can add the plan underneath. This is how we can add text and edit text in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist V. See you in the next video. Bye bye.